make one little extra tweak. No. Okay, min badass marker står her. Han jabber. Der, okay? Der. One more. Okay, det er det jeg gør nu. Jeg vil have knipset fingrene før. Der. Ikke, lad være med at gøre det imens, fordi så kolliderer I. Det betyder mig som jabber, og vores arm kolliderer her. Hvad gør vi herfra? Det er på torsdag. Kom på torsdag, vi skal se det. Men ram ham før. Der. Før han rammer. Igen. Der. Så inden. Det er derfor, jeg vil have den der konstant tempo. Fordi så kan tempo det er en ting, men I skal have sådan en indbygget fornemmelse i kroppen på, hvornår han slår. Kvinder, når I danser, I stykker, oh my god, left, right, fucking high kick. Når I danser, så danser I bare, fordi det er den måde, kroppen fungerer på. Right? Men I forstår ikke, hvad jeg mener. Men kvinderne forstår godt, hvad jeg mener. Right? Så når han træder frem, der, before, så igen. Der. Altså før ham, så bare snap fingeren, inden han faktisk starter. Okay? Okay. So, that's your drill. Now how do you practice this shit? This is how you do it. My partner's going to do exactly the same shit. He's still going to jab me, and I'm still going to back off. The reason why you stand still, out of range, he punches, boom. He's still out of range, but you back off. He's in range, but you go back and tap. The reason why you do this is because you don't want him to figure out when you do what. Right? Yeah, it doesn't work like that in real life. So what you want to have to do is you want to work this off a feeling of when he does it, but you want to make sure he doesn't know when you're doing what. So like women, like, maybe today I'll be a bitch, and maybe today I'll be really good. Right? I speak from experience. So what you're trying to do is you're trying to make this guy guess when the fuck is he actually going to do anything. Here's another thing. Everyone know the rule of 3? Okay, rule of 3 is this. In nature, this timing happens all the time. Happens all the time. Rhythm of 4 never happens because it's mechanical. It's artificial, it's fake. It's something that a machine does. 1, 2, 3. But 3, it's much more natural. So what you do is this. If you go back and tap, and you go back and tap, and you go back and tap, what is the likelihood you will do it again on the 4th one? Most likely you'll tap again. So it's a pattern. So what you're doing is you're letting your partner know that I've done it 3 times, I'll probably do it again. It's like men. You tell us 3 times, we'll still do it on the 4th one. So what you want to do is you want to break the pattern. So the rhythm of 3 means you can do 2 of the same, but the 3rd one has to be different. So I may go back and tap, I go back and tap, and I do the intercept. But you have to mix it up so he never knows when you do what. Okay? So that's rule of 3. So now here's what you do. Marcus is going to do the same thing, and we're going to keep it at an easygoing tempo. There. And all I'm going to do is score before he reacts. So we're moving around. He just moves around a jab. Boom. So we're just treating this as a dance. I'm trying to keep my range. There, and I score him right before this. That's all you can do. Your eye jab only counts in an intercept if you touch his head before he actually responds. If you get this, that doesn't count. If you get this, doesn't count. That counts. Alright? You know? Or I'll give you one more clue. If you're looking at each other's partner, and you look in each other's eyes, it's oh wonderful, you should have eye jumped. If you're both doing this, or you're doing this, and you're just looking, nothing happening, you should have eye jumped right away. So if you both get eye contact, hit first. Because what? Action is faster than reaction. So if we're not doing anything, and I start, whatever he does, he'll be behind my response. Does that make sense? So just be faster, but don't do it here. There, that's after. Jab, boom, there, move around, there, score right before you initiate. But that's key. That's why I want you guys to keep it at a constant beat all the time. Alright? Just try that, but do it slowly, don't go here. Because then the timing, because if this is the timing, if this is the move, right, your half beat has to be that faster. So dance slowly so you can practice it. If you go fast, your response has to be twice as fast. If this is the rhythm you're jabbing in, your response has to be, that's what your response time is. Too fast. If you do it slowly, that you can pass. Does that make sense? Alright, so now try do eye jab, try hit forehead. But it only counts if you hit them before they get to throw their punch.